Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to recreate Kiara Advani's wedding makeup look. You guys have been asking me to recreate this look and I was like, oh my god, this girl looks so pretty and this makeup look is so simple, so elegant and so modern. It's such a modern bridal makeup look. It's very soft, it's very romantic and it's got that fresh vibe. So I'm gonna show you how you can do your own makeup look on your wedding day, and if you're a bridesmaid, this can be a perfect bridesmaid look too. So now let's get started. First thing I'm gonna use is a primer. Primer is extremely important, especially when you have to wear your makeup for the entire day. You want your makeup to stay on. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Matte Primer. I feel like since summer is here, almost here, I think we should shift to matte primers, and if you want a glowy dewy base, you can always use a glowy dewy foundation. So I'm just going to apply the primer all over my face. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Sand. Take some at the back of my hand like this. Applied with a beauty blender. I'm using my beauty blender after such a long time. I mean, it just blends your foundation so effortlessly. If you want a natural looking foundation, this is the foundation that you should go for. I will take some more. Oh my god, just look at the finish. It just looks like your skin but better. I'll just put some on my forehead. Now I'm going to take the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer and I'm going to apply it on my under eye area. I am using a heavy layer of concealer because obviously I'm getting ready for a wedding and it's my wedding. So obviously if you need a little bit more of the concealer, please go for it. But make sure you don't have those dark circles. And I'm just going to blend it with the beauty blender. And this concealer it just blends like a dream. Look how fresh the under eye area looks. Okay, now to set the under eye area, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Powder. This is in the shade Banana Yellow. And I'm going to dunk my beauty blender in it and use it under my eyes, just like that. Just press the powder all over your under eye area. And once we press the powder, we are just gonna blend it. Just go very light-handed and slowly blend the powder. Give you a very airbrushed finish. Alright, my base looks great. Now I'm going to move on with my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. And I'm just going to fill in any gaps that I have. This is a beautiful eyebrow pencil. It just gives you the powder effect and it just gives you volumized eyebrows. It adds a lot of volume when you apply it on your eyebrows. I just love this pencil. This is my recent favorite, and if you want to buy this, then everything will be linked in the description box below, so check it out. Kiara has really very simple, elegant makeup look going on, and I really appreciate that because she's looking like herself in her pictures, in her wedding pictures. I'm just going to take this Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Crushed Berries. So I'm going to take this warm brown shade and apply it in the crease of my eyes. This eyeshadow palette is pigmented, so I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it all over the crease. Kiara looks beautiful in the wedding pictures. She's so fresh. She's wearing all pink and looking so pretty. So that's all that I'm going to use on my crease. I'm also going to use this on the lower lash line. I'm going to use this pink shimmery shade. It's such a beautiful shade. It looks very, very pretty. I'm just going to pick it up on my fingers and apply it all over my eyelids. I'm going to use K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro palette, and I'm going to use this shade as my contour shade. I'm just going to do a very light contour. Just going to contour my nose. I'm going to contour my jawline. Next, I'm going to use a blush. The blush that she's wearing, it's like she's blushing from within. So I've just found a shade which matches hers, and that's the Milani Blossom Time Rose powder blush. And it's such a pretty blush. It just feels like you're blushing from within, and it just gives a very pretty glow too on your face. This blush will look beautiful on your wedding day. A little bit on the nose. I'm going to use the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. This is the perfect dupe for a Mary Luminizer. So if you are on a budget and you want that Mary Luminizer glow, you can definitely go with this one. On my brow bone area, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm also going to apply the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes, just for that open eye look, and just so that you look very fresh and awake on your wedding day. Now for the lips, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Choco Nude, and I'm going to outline my lips with this. And now I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Staying Crayon lipstick. This is in the shade Lead the Way, and it's such a pretty pink shade. This is a perfect modern bridal lipstick, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. I'll just take a tissue paper and press my lips on it, so that it just gives me a little bit of a matte look. I got my lashes done, so I won't be using any falsies, but you can go ahead and use falsies, but make sure you use very natural looking ones, or if you're not up for falsies, you can just use a mascara and accentuate your eyelashes. I just took this red lipstick. It's a Bellora Paris liquid lipstick. This is in the shade French Red. I'm just gonna take some lipstick on this brush. I'm just going to apply it as a small bindi. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, then do like and share, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. We are already a family of 150k. I can't wait for the next milestone, which is 200k. Show some love and share. Also comment down below which celebrity inspired makeup look you want me to do next, and whose bridal look you would really want to wear on your wedding day. I'll read all your comments. I love replying to your comments, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.